10 fastest constructions in the world. In today's world, speed is everything. From the way we communicate to the way we build, timelines are shrinking while ambitions are growing. Thanks to breakthroughs in modular engineering, 3D printing, and AI-powered logistics, construction projects that once took years can now be completed in a matter of days, or sometimes even hours. So let's take a look at the 10 fastest constructions ever recorded. Number 10. Flatiron Replica. Start off, we got the Flatiron Replica. In 2022, upstate New York saw the rapid rise of a near-perfect replica of the iconic Flatiron Building, crafted specifically for a movie set. Combining factory-made building with 3D printing to make the outside look detailed and realistic, like the real Flatiron Building. Around 100 workers brought this architectural icon to life in roughly 30 days. The pre-made structural components provided a sturdy skeleton, while the 3D printed elements captured intricate details and textures, delivering authenticity at a fraction of the usual cost and time. This project demonstrated how blending traditional methods with innovative technology can transform set design, enabling filmmakers to recreate landmark structures without the logistical nightmares of shooting on location. More than just a movie prop, the Flatiron Replica showcased the evolving capabilities of construction technology, where speed, precision, and artistry collide to create convincing realities in record time. In the battle between Hollywood and real estate, technology just scored a major win. Number 9. Icon 3D Printed House. Then we got the Icon 3D Printed House. In 2018, Icon pushed the boundaries of construction with its 3D printed house in Austin, Texas, a fully livable 350 square foot home created in just 27 hours. Using the Vulcan 2 printer and a special concrete-based material, fewer than 5 workers oversaw the entire process, transforming digital designs into physical walls layer by layer. This breakthrough not only slashed construction time, but also significantly cut labor costs and material waste. The precision of 3D printing allowed for intricate shapes and customization that traditional methods struggle to match. The project also hinted at a future where affordable, rapid housing solutions could address global shortages and disaster relief needs. When your house literally prints itself, it's a game changer. With the creation of this house, the construction industry is waking up to the possibilities of automation and additive manufacturing, one layer of concrete at a time. Number 8. Shanghai Tower Foundation Pour. It's time to go to China and talk about the Shanghai Tower Foundation Pour. Laying the groundwork for literally one of the world's tallest skyscrapers, the Shanghai Tower's foundation pour was a record-setting engineering marathon. In 2010, over 1,000 workers coordinated in precise shifts to carry out a continuous concrete pour that lasted more than 60 hours. This non-stop operation was essential to ensure the structural integrity of the 632-meter megastructure, preventing cold joints and creating a seamless, rock-solid base. More than 61,000 cubic meters of concrete were pumped into the massive pit, supported by a logistical ballet of mixer trucks, pumps, and monitoring systems to maintain consistency and flow. The pour wasn't just a technical necessity, it was a display of human coordination, endurance, and architectural ambition. The Shanghai Tower would go on to become a symbol of modern China's skyline. But its success began deep underground, in a foundation born from sleepless precision and 60 straight hours of concrete-fueled determination. Number 7. Sardar Patel COVID Hospital. On a global level, India has always been a key player, and when trouble came banging on the door in the thick of the COVID-19 crisis, they pulled off a colossal medical engineering feat with the Sardar Patel COVID Hospital in Delhi. Constructed in just 12 days in 2020 by the Defense Research and Development Organization, this emergency facility provided a staggering 10,000 beds, making it one of the largest COVID-19 care centers in the world at the time. The hospital was built using modular steel frames and portable utility systems, allowing for rapid deployment of critical infrastructure such as oxygen lines, sanitation, and electrical networks. Nearly 4,000 workers, divided into 3 relentless shifts, toiled around the clock to meet the urgent deadline. The project's scale and speed were unprecedented in India's medical infrastructure history. More than just a hospital, it became a symbol of resilience, coordination, and national urgency, a testament to what can be achieved when necessity meets engineering ingenuity under pressure. Number 6. Ark Hotel. Coming up at number 6, we have the Ark Hotel. In 2010, Broad Sustainable Building made headlines by assembling the 15-story Ark Hotel in Changsha, China, in just 6 days. This lightning-fast construction was made possible through an innovative modular system using prefabricated or pre-made steel structures. Each module was factory-built with precision engineering, including insulation, wiring, plumbing, and HVAC systems, then transported to the site for rapid assembly. With only around 200 workers on site, the process resembled a giant architectural puzzle coming together in perfect sync. Despite the speed, the building met high safety and energy efficiency standards, including earthquake resistance up to magnitude 9. The Ark Hotel became a global case study in what modular construction can achieve when planning, technology, and execution align. It wasn't just fast, it was strong, sustainable, and a bold statement against the traditionally slow pace of vertical construction. Number 5. Hanwha 10-story apartment. Moving to another Asian country, we got the Hanwha apartment complex. In 2021, South Korea's Hanwha construction shattered expectations by completing a 10-story residential building in just 28 hours. The secret weapon was once again fully prefabricated concrete modules, each embedded with pre-installed plumbing, electrical systems, and insulation, ready to plug and play. Roughly 300 workers, guided by AI-supported logistics, executed the precision-heavy process with clockwork efficiency. Cranes lifted and stacked the massive modules like life-size Tetris blocks, reducing traditional construction chaos to a streamlined assembly line. Not only did this approach dramatically cut down build time, it also minimized noise, dust, and labor strain. The project stands as a milestone in smart construction, legitimizing the prefabrication model for construction even more. Number 4. San Yuan Bridge Replacement. At number 4, we have another one of China's monumental feats. In 2015, Beijing pulled off a jaw-dropping infrastructural stunt, replacing the entire San Yuan Bridge in just 43 hours. That's not a joke. It took them less than 2 days to demolish an old highway bridge and replace it with a brand new one. The key to achieving such feat was a bold lateral skidding technique. Engineers built the bridge right next to the existing one, then used high-powered hydraulic systems to slide the 1,300-ton structure into place like a giant Lego swap. Over 1,300 workers worked with military-level precision to execute this engineering ballet, minimizing traffic disruption in one of China's busiest cities. The operation not only showcased China's growing prowess in rapid infrastructure development, but also highlighted the potential for innovative methods in urban upgrades. Number 3. T30 Hotel. Getting into the top 3, we got the T30 Hotel. Defying traditional construction timelines, the T30 Hotel in Hunan, China shot up 30 stories high in a mere 15 days. Completed in 2011 by Broad Sustainable Building, this architectural wonder was made possible through advanced modular prefabrication. Each section of the hotel was pre-assembled in a factory, complete with wiring, plumbing, and ventilation systems, then transported to the site and stacked like high-tech Lego. With just 600 workers on site, the precision and efficiency of the build stunned observers worldwide. Not only was it fast, but the hotel also boasted impressive sustainability features, including energy-efficient systems and earthquake resistance. T30 became a bold statement in favor of modular design, proving that speed doesn't have to sacrifice quality. In the race to build smarter and faster, this hotel stood tall, literally and figuratively, as a shining example of innovation reshaping the skyline. Number 2. Mini Sky City. Once again, we had the undisputed king of modular engineering, China. And in a jaw-dropping display of engineering, Mini Sky City in Changsha, China rose 57 stories high in only 19 days. Built in 2015 by Broad Sustainable Building, this 204-meter skyscraper used a revolutionary approach. 90% of its structure was prefabricated off-site using modular steel units. Around 1,200 workers executed the on-site assembly with clockwork precision, stacking and securing the modules at an average rate of 3 floors per day. This bold project showcased the potential of sustainable, time-efficient construction without compromising structural integrity or safety. Mini Sky City wasn't just a marvel of speed. It featured energy-efficient systems, earthquake resilience, and minimized construction waste. It redefined what's possible in urban development, challenging traditional skyscraper timelines and turning heads globally. In a world where time is money and cities are expanding rapidly, this project proved that the future of building may well be assembled, not built. Number 1. Huotianshan Hospital. And last, but certainly not least, we had the Huotianshan Hospital in Wuhan, China. In an astonishing feat of speed and coordination, it was constructed in just 10 days during the peak of the COVID-19 outbreak. Built to accommodate 1,000 beds, this emergency facility was a response to the overwhelming demand for medical care in the virus's epicenter. Using modular prefabricated units, over 7,000 workers labored around the clock in 3 rotating shifts, creating a fully functional hospital from scratch. Construction began on January 23, 2020, and was completed by February 2nd. The next day, it was handed over to the military and started admitting patients on February 3rd. Equipped with isolation wards, intensive care units, and advanced medical technology, Huotianshan became a symbol of China's rapid crisis response. It showcased not only logistical prowess, but also the immense pressure the pandemic placed on global healthcare systems, forcing innovation, urgency, and a breakneck pace that few thought possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-blowing engineering content. That said, see you in the next one.